Hey guys, welcome back to VL Infotech. This is W3 Python School Series Day 20. In previous video, we already seen Python string built-in methods. In that we have seen center method and counter method. Now we will see few more examples and few more methods. In previous videos already we have seen this all concepts like strings, variables, comments, introduction, syntax. In today's video we will see few more built-in methods. In this video, we will see encode method and ends with method. So, click on this and open in new tab. Encode. It is used to return an encoded version of the string. Ends with method. Returns true if the string ends with the specified value. In this video, we will see these two methods. And after that, we will continue all these methods one by one. Now we will see encode method. So, open in new tab. First, we will see this example. UTF-8 encoding the string. So here txt is a variable and we are assigning my name is tail. X equal to txt.encode. This is the method and we are printing X value. So we will see this example practically. So click on run example. Now here we are encoding stale value. So here my name is STA LE. We are encoding ALE to this value. Now we will see definition and usage. This encode method encodes the string and we need to pass. These are optional parameters we can pass or not. Encoding and errors. Encoding parameter is used to like a string specifying the encoding to use. By default is UTF my -8. These are the errors parameter we can pass or not. A string specifying the error method. A legal values are these are the legal values like strict, ignore, name replace. These are all errors parameters. Now we will see more examples. These examples uses ASCII encoding and a character that cannot be encoded, showing the result with different errors. So here txt equal to my name is tail. Here we are encoding a value. In previous example also, we encoded a value only in this example. Now print txt.encode encoding equal to ASCII and errors equal to \replace. So we are passing parameters encoding and errors. Print txt.encode encoding equal to ASCII and error equal to ignore. We are giving different types of errors. We are passing different types of errors like replace, ignore, XML, \replace. So we will see this example practically. So click on run example. Now here print first txt.encode. It is giving B my name is. So here we are encoding a value and after that here we are using error ignore. So it is ignoring a and we are using name replace. So we are replacing a with different value. Replace. Here we are using this error method. So we are getting question mark. And we are using here error XML. So we are getting like this. These are the different parameters we are passing and we are encoding the value. This is the use of the encode method. Now we will see ends with method. So click on that. First close this. Ends with method. Here this method is used to Like it will return true if the string ends with the specified value, otherwise false. Here txt equal to hello, welcome to my world, x equal to txt dot ends with dot. Here dot. Print x. You will see this example practically, so click on try it yourself. So it is ending with dot or not? Yes, it is ending with dot. So we are getting value as output as true. Definition and usage. Ends with method. Returns true if the string ends with the specified value. Otherwise false. Syntax is string dot ends with value comma start comma end. These are the parameters we are passing. Value, it is required. So if we didn't give any value, how it will check? The value to check if the string ends with start, optional. It is optional, we can give or not. An integer specifying at which position to start the search. This is the end parameter. An integer specifying at which position to end the search. We will see more examples. Here txt equal to hello, comma welcome to my world. X equal to txt dot ends with my world dot. So print x. We will see this example practically. So click on try it yourself. Yes, it is ending with my world dot. So we are getting output as true. Now we will see this example. Check if a position 5 to 11 ends with the phrase my world dot. So here txt equal to hello welcome to my world. X equal to txt dot ends with my world is the value and starting from the 5th position and ends at the 11th position, and we are printing x value. So click on try it yourself. We will see this example practically. Now it is now we got output as false. So here it is checking from 5th position to 11th position only. In that we don't have any my world dot string. So it is giving output as false. This is the usage of end method and ends with method and encode method. I hope everyone clear with this method. If you have any questions, please comment down below. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding, keep learning.